A prominent defense attorney has found himself on the wrong side of the law in Osceola County. Hal Uhrig is now out on bond, but he faces several charges connected to a case he worked several years ago. News 6's Nikki Zizaza joins us now from the newsroom. Nikki, Uhrig is no stranger to Central Florida news viewers.
That's right, Matt. This well-known attorney, once connected to the George Zimmerman case, is facing serious charges. He's accused of asking a rape victim to lie about her assault to the state attorney and say it didn't happen.
Defense attorney Hal Uhrig, who once represented George Zimmerman, was escorted into the Osceola County Jail in handcuffs.
If you break the law, doesn't matter who you are, we're going to arrest you.
This charging affidavit states the 75-year-old is charged with solicitation to commit perjury and tampering with or harassing a witness in a juvenile rape case. Details of what brought about these charges announced by Sheriff Marcos Lopez during a news conference on Monday.
The victim didn't buy into what he was trying to sell. She didn't feel comfortable with it, and she's the hero. My hat goes off to her because it takes guts to do what she's doing.
Investigators say a few years ago, while Uhrig was representing a man accused of raping a 9-year-old, he held a meeting requesting the victim and her father lie about the sexual assault.
The point of the meeting was to keep the rapist from going to jail.
Instead, the victim and her father reported Uhrig to authorities in July. As part of the sex crimes investigation, Sheriff Lopez says the victim's father agreed to meet with the attorney.
He wore a recording device, the victim's father. During the meeting, the attorney made him turn off his cell phone and told the father to read a script off of his computer screen.
Attorney Hal Uhrig is now joining Craig Sonner as part of 28-year-old George Zimmerman's legal team.
Nearly a decade ago, attorney Uhrig was in the spotlight while on Zimmerman's legal team.
The reason that Trayvon Martin is dead is not because he was black, it's because that 6'3" young man made a terrible decision and a bad judgment.
Meantime, the sheriff says they are now tasked to determine if the attorney made requests to other victims.
Now the sheriff says Uhrig is expected to appear before a judge tomorrow, and he's facing third-degree capital felony. Uhrig had been practicing law for more than 30 years across Central Florida. In the newsroom, Nikki Zizaza, Getting Results, News 6.
Nikki, thank you.